Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to create this simple model by using Solidworks. First of all, click on File, then New, then choose Part. Click on Right Plane, then create a sketch. Choose a line and go from the origin point and click to the left click, then go up, then like this, and go back again to the origin point. Let's specify the dimensions. So this is 25 millimeter, and from this line to this line is 60 millimeter, and from this point to this line is 20 millimeter, and from this line to this line is 10 millimeter, and from this line to this line is 90 millimeter, and this vertical line is 50 millimeter. So it's fully defined because it's in black color. Go to Future and Extrude Base. Choose a mid-plane because I want to create another sketch from the middle by 50 millimeter, and click OK. Click back on right plane and create another sketch, normal to. Create a line, now choose this line and this line and this line and convert entries. Delete the unwanted lines and create a dimension from this line to this line, 20 millimeter. Now go to Future and Extrude Cut. Choose mid-plane again by 26 millimeter. Let's cut it by 26 millimeter. Then OK. Here we go. Now let's create two holes in this face. So click on this face and click on Sketch, normal to. Draw a center line from the origin point. Create two circles. The diameter of both circles is 12 millimeter. Click on this circle and this circle and click on equal. Now click on this circle and this circle and this center line and choose symmetric. Smart dimension from this center to this line is 15 millimeter, and from this center to this center is 26 millimeter, and we finished. Now go to Future and Extrude Cut through all, or you can drag this arrow down and click OK. Here we go. Now let's create this half circle or this arc by choose this face, then click on Sketch, normal to, and draw a circle with radius or with diameter 40 millimeter. Then click OK. Now the distance between this center to this line is 25 millimeter. Click OK. Go to Future and Extrude Cut. You can drag this arrow like this, or click on up to next or through all. It's up to you. Then click on OK. So here we go. This is our shape. Let's put a color to this shape. and then click on OK. So this is our model. You can save it by click on File, then Save As, and save it wherever you like. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.